This video is about how to enhance your customer touchpoints. A customer touchpoint consists of all the times that your brand makes contact with or touches your customer. Ads, reviews, social mentions, websites, your store, your email list, and direct customer service are all examples of customer touchpoints. These are all opportunities for your customer to learn, to know, like, trust, try, buy, and refer you to others. You can see why it's important to enhance your customers' touchpoints when you can. Each business will have different touchpoints depending on how they work to expand their brand and get known. The following are all potential touchpoints for your business. Your storefront. This can be online or offline. Your customers come into contact with your brand by walking through your doors or landing on your website. If they're walking in the door, what do they see, smell, and feel as they walk in? Is it an experience that they're going to want to repeat? If it's a website, does the site load fast? Does it show the information that the customer clicked through to see? Is the site easy to use? How can you reduce the steps your customer needs to take but still make it work for you on the back end? When it comes to billing, if you send an invoice to your customer, does it give them all the information that they need to pay your bill on time? How can you make the invoice more welcoming to the recipient? Do they get choices on how to get the invoice? Do they have choices on how to pay it? Is there some system you can use that they like better? Have you ever thought about using the phone to help boost sales and your profits? If not, perhaps you ought to consider it, because if you don't normally call your customers but they're spending a lot of money with you, maybe you should consider picking up the phone and talking to them for a few minutes in a personal way. Adopting this practice into your customer service would most probably make a consumer happy and make him feel valued and appreciated. But whatever you decide to do, always focus on the customer first. When it comes to media, how can you provide a better media experience when it comes to where your audience sees you? Do you run feel-good advertising or scary advertising? When you created that media, did you ensure that it answered questions your audience has regarding the benefits of using your brand? All types of marketing, from social media ads to content marketing, can be improved to make your customers happy. Always focus every bit of your marketing materials on benefits over features and solutions rather than problems. Do you ever hold events? If you happen to hold live events, albeit in person live events, or online live events using digital video, how do your customers feel after the event? Do they feel as if they're important to you? If not, there are ways to improve that. Find ways to give your customer good experiences and good memories, and again, always consider how you can benefit your customers rather than how they can benefit you. Let's quickly mention social media. When you use social media, are you using it as a two-way communication platform, or are you simply sending out information and then ignoring questions or comments? If so, your customers aren't getting a good feeling from you. If you really want to enhance this customer touchpoint, start answering each and every real question or comment. When your customer comes to your website, do they find what they are looking for, or are they locked up trying to get things to load? Are they able to find information easily, or are they bombarded with a bunch of buttons and links that they didn't want? When it comes to websites, simple is better. At least the public face of the site should be simple and very user-friendly. The last time you made sales, did you follow up right away to say thank you? Do you send a follow-up a short while later, after they have had time to implement your solution? Have you sent them a survey asking for feedback? How about a testimonial? Did you ask for one? All of these things help to improve this customer touchpoint because of the interaction with you. Regarding referrals, it can be more difficult to control the interaction that a customer has with your brand because you cannot always control who is referring you. One way to make this work better is to actually have an affiliate program so that you can control the message more from those who want to refer you. The thing to remember with every single touch point is to put you in the mind of your audience member. What do they hope to get? What do they want? What will make them say, "Whoa, this brand is amazing"? If you can get into your frame of reference that what they think and feel is more important than what you think and feel, then you'll be able to improve every single touch point effortlessly.